Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to a Wise account, step by step. This video is perfect for beginners, especially if you've never used Wise before, you don't have any bank account linked yet, or you just want to understand how the Wise app works. I'll explain everything in very simple language, so make sure you watch the video till the end. First of all, let's quickly understand what Wise actually is. Wise is an international money app that allows you to hold, send, receive, and convert money in multiple currencies like US dollars, euros, pounds, and many more. Wise is commonly used for international payments, freelancing payments, online business, sending money abroad at low fees. Think of Wise as a digital multi-currency bank account. Now, let's see how to create a Wise account. First, go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Wise. Download and open the app. Tap on Sign Up and create your account using your email address or your mobile number. After this, Wise will ask for some basic details like your name and country. You can complete identity verification later. Even without adding money, you can explore most features inside the app. Once you're logged into the Wise app, you'll land on the home screen. On this screen, you'll clearly see a button called Add Money. This is the main option you'll use whenever you want to fund your Wise account. Now let's click on Add Money and see what happens. After tapping on Add Money, Wise will ask you to enter the amount. Select the currency you want to add. For example, you can choose INR, USD, and Euro. Once you enter the amount, Wise will automatically show you the fees and the final amount that will be added. Now this is the most important part of the video. Wise gives you multiple ways to add money, depending on your country. Option 1. Add money using debit or credit card. This is the fastest and easiest method. You can use debit card, credit card. Just enter your card details, confirm the payment, and the money usually appears in your Wise account within minutes. For security reasons, I'm not entering any real card details in this video. Option 2. Add money using bank transfer. The second method is bank transfer. Wise will give you local bank account details, such as account number, IFSC, or routing number. You can transfer money from your bank account to these details. This method may take 1 to 2 working days, depending on your bank. Option 3. Local payment methods. In some countries, Wise also supports UPI, net banking, local instant transfer methods. These options depend on your location and currency. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you understand how to add money to Wise, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.